You thought I was going to forget, huh? Last but not least. Always carry a sponge and a rag over here by my utility sink. What's that for? Yeah, you remember. I've got some bird poop up here. Might as well get it off now. And you know what? If you leave bird poop on a car, and it gets down in the sun, guess what? You leave it there long enough, it'll etch your paint right off. No lie. I had a truck years ago, a Ford F-150, king cab, long bed, and I left some bird poop on the hood. Oh, I don't know, a couple of weeks. And don't use the scouring edge, just the sponge edge, or else you'll etch your paint. But I left the bird poop on my truck top, and it was the same color as this. I left it on there for maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and I thought I'll just wash that when I washed the car, and I didn't get around to it for a while. It could have been over a month, and I wiped it off, cleaned it off, and I looked at it and I thought, what's going on here? And it had actually etched and eaten right into the paint, and there was a mark there forevermore. I could have maybe buffed it out or something, paid someone to buff it out or something, but you know what? Bird poop is a bad thing. Now I'm happy and my job is complete, other than cleaning up my mess.